What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug. Today, we're diving into three undervalued tech stocks that could rebound massively by 2026. While everyone's chasing the latest AI darlings, these three are the underrated plays you need to watch. First up is Intel, INTC. Many investors have written Intel off, but that's what makes it so intriguing right now. They're rebuilding their chip manufacturing with new fabs in the US and Europe, backed by billions in government funding. If Intel executes well, we could see its valuation double as it regains market share from AMD and NVIDIA. Next, let's talk about Meta. Meta's stock took a hit during the metaverse hype, but now it's all about AI. With billions of users across Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, they have one of the largest datasets on the planet. They're leveraging this data to build AI models that could monetize their platforms like never before. With new AI integrations and aggressive cost-cutting, Meta is one of the most undervalued tech giants out there. And finally, we have AMD. While NVIDIA steals the spotlight, AMD is quietly ramping up its AI chips and cloud partnerships. Their MI300 series is targeting data centers and competing directly with NVIDIA's GPUs, but at a lower valuation. If AI spending continues to explode, AMD's upside could be massive. So here's the takeaway. Intel is rebuilding, Meta is transforming, and AMD is competing, all while trading at lower valuations than their peers. These are the undervalued tech stocks that could outperform as the next market cycle unfolds. Of course, nothing is guaranteed. Intel needs to deliver, Meta must keep costs in check, and AMD has to keep pace with NVIDIA. But when the market shifts toward value and fundamentals, these could be the big winners. And before we wrap up, don't forget about our $250 giveaway. To enter, just subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. It's free and easy, and you could be our next winner. So tell me in the comments, which of these undervalued tech stocks do you think has the most upside? Intel, Meta, or AMD? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.